Hi everyone, welcome again to Jamaican Oy'Nissh vlog, Scotland, UK. And today I'll be going to Tesco to shop for vegetables, and I'm looking for seasonal one, 4 of them: beetroot, leek, spinach and yellow peppers, which I'll be using to make Oy'Nissh. But I'm exploring a bit of the town. So this is Musselburgh. I am along the sea coast. I'm in Musselburgh to shop for seasonal vegetables: beetroot, spinach, leek and yellow peppers. But I'm exploring a bit of the coastline. As you can see, a lot of shells. We've got clams. Okay, clam shell. It's one of the favorite seafoods along with mussels. Thus the name Musselburgh, because it's famous for its mussels back in the days. Yep, mussels, clams, lots of it. Except it's not been harvested as back in the days, maybe because the water is a lot more polluted, or there are other options, other farm mussels elsewhere. But yes, this is Musselburgh. A little tour out into, oh, I can't go further, I don't have the right shoes for it. But it's low tide. As you can see, it's a bit swampy here. Very beautiful place, very beautiful. Okay, Tesco Extra, where my shopping starts in earnest. We've got coal, £5. Barbecue, oh yes. Smoked Oy'Nissh chicken. And this is wood, £5. Okay. Leek. So I take this one because they've got the green bit, and this one doesn't. They've cut off most of the green. I need some green bit, so I got this one. And let me see, British spinach, let me see, grown and packed in the UK. Good. Wellswyn Garden City. That sounds like a Welsh name, but whatever, I don't know. Ireland Limited, so it must be OW. So this is British. Grown and packed in the UK. So maybe that's the same with the beetroot. That is, it was grown here, but the company is called Ireland something. So we've got the spinach. Good. Now this is 250 grams, 1 pound and 3, so I can work with that. So I've got the leek spinach, and now I need the beetroot and peppers. See, everything in one place. So pepper, right. So where's this? Just 2 should do. Where's the scale? $45 each. Okay. 45p each. So that's a plus. $45p each. Beautiful. Beautiful. And red peppers. So I've got now beetroot. I need beetroot. So it's only the organic option. You get these 2 big. So this is British, grown in the UK. See? So I'm eating all British, no imported stuff, all seasonal and British. So good. No herbs. So the decisions one have to make to ensure one can get seasonal stuff. Now I need some herbs. Oregano. Good. Still oregano. Dill. Basil. I wonder if they do the herbicides. Parsley. Parsley. Tarragon. Tarragon. Thyme. Coriander. No, some ginger. Oops. Oh, sorry. Some ginger. Should do. Right, so I've got all my 4 seasonal British vegetables. I've got the yellow pepper, spinach, leek, beetroot, and I got myself some herbs just for general cooking. So that's me set. Okay. Yes, so I was looking to get all the vegetables I need. So apparently it's the Tesco Extra that I was able to get all the produce. It's one of the big ones. So I think it's just the ability to sell a lot more variety of stuff that the supermarket afford me to get all my ingredients in one place. So it's a very big one. So they've got all the seasonal stuff. Really, thanks to Tesco, and I guess all the big supermarkets do. So maybe that's one of the advantages of shopping at the big British supermarkets. The German-made ones, Aldi, probably Lidl too, tend to get a lot of import from the European Union because the peppers I saw there were imported from these places. And I was looking for British ones because I remember we're talking about seasonality, British seasons. To make Oy'Nissh products, I needed to be British made, British grown. So I've got all the stuff in here. So now I can look forward over the weekend, Sunday, so to make the Oy'Nissh sauces and marinades. So wish me luck.